Good day everyone. I told you I would put a new video online once the trailer was completed. So I just finished to do the main body of the trailer. So what I did is I put a set of small wheels on that trailer. So I wanted to keep the center of gravity as low as possible from the ground. And I put a 4 stabilizer bar, the jack stand on each side, and that's the tow bar. So the trailer is 20 foot long, and it's just about 6 feet wide overall. So all I got to do now is put some fender on it, put some light bar, and I'll be ready for the road. So thank you for listening. See you later.